Hello everyone, this is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas. Today I would like to make some poinsettias, some holly leaves and holly berries, and I hope that you will join me. For this project you're going to need several things. First you're going to need some stamps, so go in your supply box and pull out all your stamps and die cuts that have to do with poinsettias, with holly leaves. Just have fun pulling everything out. And then you're also going to need some stamps. I have some off shades of greens here. I have red, I have silver, gold, and black. You will need your stamping blocks, of course. You will also need some paper. I will be using some reds, greens, and whites. I also have some metallic and glitter paper I would like to try. You will also need your scissors, your glue, your pencils, and any other embellishments you want to add. I will also be using some gems, and you need some gems like this in red and in gold. If you want to use your precision stamping block, go ahead and grab that. You will also need a die cutting machine to cut your dies with. I will let you know if we need any additional supplies to complete our project. I would like to start with this stamp here. It has some poinsettias on here. See there? They're individual. So this way I can work with that and stack it myself. I think it'll work out really well. This is a really cute one, and then there's this one here too, but at the moment that's a big project for me. Maybe later on I will give it a try. I can even take some of this loose one and add it on there, right? And use this as a base, but that'll be really cute. Well, okay, let me try this. And I will be using some red paper, and I do have a bunch of scrap paper that I want to use. I have things like this everywhere. So this is a good time to use up your scrap paper. I have decided to use this stamp here, and it's got individual poinsettias on here, so I want to use that. So I have some red as scrapbook paper, and I'm going to go ahead and use this, and I'm going to stamp out all 3 images on here. Let's try that again. Hopefully this time it worked. Much better. I have all my images, all the 3 images there. Now I'm going to go ahead and fussy cut these out, and I will be right back. I have trimmed everything down, and I also put a slit in between the leaves, see there? And I want to go ahead and bend the leaves. That is going to give it some dimension. If you're stamping it on like white paper and you want to cut it, then you can always shade it in all the dimensions, right? But if you want a freestanding poinsettia like I do, you'll want to help with the dimension. Cute, I like it. Now I'm going to take some glue and just stack these. Now you can attach yours however you want. You can even use brads to put this together. And if you want to go even further, you can outline your poinsettia leaves with some metallic marker. That would be awesome too. So just like that. See there? Dimension. Cute, right? Now I want to take a metallic gold pen, and I want to color the little seeding or the steaming right here with the flowers. Look how cute that looks. So see, there you go. Look at that. Adorable, right? I now have poinsettia. I love my poinsettia. Let me show you some other options I did. This one I put some little bling bling in there. Look at that. And then here's another one. And this one I used a brad to put it together. This one, it is not glued, see? So you can adjust your petals however you want. If you're not happy looking like this one day, turn the petals for the next day. Aren't they adorable? I just love the way they turned out. I'm quite happy with it. I hope you like this idea and that you give it a try. I want to cut out some holly leaves with some holly berries. I have these cute ones right here. See there? That's adorable. And then there's this one. I love this one. You only get the 2 leaves and some berries. And I also have this one here. Look how large this one is. It is huge, right? These would be really good to do too, the loose leaves. I probably will use this like as a base and then put these on there. That would be cute too, right? So I have my hollies on my stamping block here, and then I'm going to take some black ink and just put that on here. Again, you can use your precision block if you like. I love taking chances. Will it work? Will it not work? Okay, and then I'm going to stamp there. And let's see, I took one out of this stamp set right here. I took that one. And then from this one, I took this one right there. There we go. Look at that. How cute. I'm going to stamp the rest of my page, and then I'm going to cut these out. I have all my pieces cut out now. I'm not quite positive what to do with them. Just that they look really cute, and I wanted to have some holly leaves with some berries. I think that I want to put some gems on here first before I glue it together. I have managed to put the berries on my holly branches. Now one of them I left this empty, so I can attach this piece here. See there? Now all my berries, they bling. How cute. I'm going to put a dab of glue there and attach this one. Just like that. And I'm going to let that dry. This one, I want to try something different. Look at that. I like it. It is now ready to go on the project. Cute, right? Lots of dimension. Here are my completed holly leaves with berries. Look at this one. Here's the big piece that we made. And then here's the 2 branch ones with the bling bling. And I have the same one, but they're single branches. This one I decided to put the chunky glitter on. Look at that. I like it. And then on the same branch for this one, I put some red marker on there. And I did use the Galaxy red marker. I like using those because they are very pigmented inks. And then I have the 2 leaf holly, 3 smaller berries of equal sizes on there. I hope I was able to give you a few ideas today and maybe work on some of your ephemeras ahead of time of your Christmas project. I hope you like these and that you give them a try. For this project here, I would like to use bling blings off these 2 stickers here. I will be using the red ones and the gold ones off of here. So put that aside. I will also be using this die cut set. I will be using the holly leaves here and the poinsettias. I also have some glitter paper. I have a red one and a green one. For this project, you're going to need your die cutter, so make sure you have those ready. I am going to be using my little sidekick, this one here, because my pieces I'm cutting here are very small, so I will cut the holly leaves first, and see how tiny that is. And I just need a strip right there. And I'm going to put this on here and then send this through my die cut. Look how tiny these are. Aren't they beautiful? I love the way they turned out on the glitter paper. Very, very cute. And then I also went ahead and cut out my poinsettias. And I managed to do 4 sets. I want to bend the leaves like this. That way I have dimensions on my poinsettias, and I'm going to put them together just like that. And take that large one, and cute, right? Now on my holly branches, and this one's going to be just like this. I'm not going to do anything because it's so delicate. When I separate it from the paper, it already, it's already sticking up. So, and you would attach this to your project just like that. See how cute, right? I want to create a tag, a name tag, and I'm using cereal box cover. So I have the raw side on the side, and then there's this. I want to cover that up. I do have some scrap paper here, and it's Christmas scrap paper, and I'm going to go ahead and glue this on. That's going to be the back side. I'm going to turn it over because I want to use this side. And I do have a washi I want to use. It's got pine cone and pine needles on there. And I'm going to run that down on the bottom of the tag like this. I have this it's a stamp, Christmas stamp collection, and it says believe in the magic of the season right here. That's what I want to use and have it here. And I'm just using black ink, and I'm gonna go ahead and stamp this, and I'm gonna angle, because I do not believe in straight. I cannot do straight, so I will angle everything. And see, there we go. I want it a little bit down because I want to put my little embellishment at the top. That is cute, right? I love that. Believe in the magic of the season. Now I want to take my holly berry picks and put one there, and then put another one here. Maybe like this, and put that right there. Cute, right? I like it. I want to add the poinsettia now, and I was thinking maybe right there. So I'm going to dab some glue right there, and then put the poinsettia there. And I want to make sure I don't cover the hole up right there for the, the holder. I think that this looks fantastic. I like it. You see there? Isn't it adorable? I love it. Here are my completed name tags. Here's the one we completed together, and I added poinsettia on the bottom and added a bling bling. Look at that, how cute, right? And then there's this one, and they're very similar. And then this one, I only put one branch up here, and then I put 2 branches on the bottom with the poinsettia. It is very cute, right? I like the option. Now, if you don't want glittered on your card, you can definitely use regular paper if you like, and that'll look really, really good too. But I like them. They turned out really well, and I hope you like them and that you give them a try. Thank you for stopping by. This is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas, and I will see you next time.